Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you our app Memex, which we have made doing the Avishkar. So Memex is a social media app where you can create meme inside the app and also share it within the app. So this is the homepage of the app where you can log in. Also we have sign up page. So let's start by signing up. Uh, Simply enter your credential as you want, and then we can sign up into the app. So once you have signed up, you will directly logged in into the app. So as you can see, this is the interface of our app where you have the top navbar where you can see there's a meme studio, there's a home button, there's a user studio, and there's a profile button. As you can see, there's a feed in our app where the posts of all other users are shown. So first I will show you our premium feature, that is our meme studio. So inside our meme studio, you can see various trending meme templates which are well all over the social media, and you can just edit them on the go. So let's edit our favorite Drake template. Simply you have to click on the template and that template will be open for editing. Then you can add text accordingly as the meme you want to add. When you click generate per download, your meme will be generated and also it will be downloaded. So as you can see, our meme is generated and also it is downloaded. So now you can go back to the choose template, and there are many templates out there. Almost all trending templates are there, and we have used the IMG Flip API for getting these templates on our app. And also we have user studio where user can upload their own images and edit them over there. So as you can see, I've uploaded this image over here. So you can resize the image as you have done in MS Paint, etc. The interface is very easy to use for anyone. And to add text, you just have to write some text over here. You can also change the color of the text as you want, and then simply when you add text, the text will be there on the screen. As you can see, here's the text, and also we can make the size of a text. We can resize it as we want, and also if there are any unnecessary text, we can also delete it. And finally, when you have done with the editing, the user can simply download the image. So this was the user studio feature. Now let's go back to the feed. So here is a feed where you can see the images uploaded by other users also. You can simply click on the upload button and upload the images that we just created. Like here, and you can simply like the user's post as we do in Instagram, and also on double clicking it will automatically unlike it. Then to comment on the post, you can also comment on the post. It will be, or the comments will be showing on the user's post. Also the user can see their post by going to profile button, and they can see all their posts on the profile. Also we have implemented private routing on our app so that the user which are not logged in, they cannot see our feed. So let me demonstrate that by doing, when I log out and when I try to enter localhost 3000, that is a feed, I will be automatically redirected to the login page. And also here we have forward password, where if you enter your email, then you will get a link to reset the email of your account. So this was our app. Thank you.